Hi guys, Saurabh this side, and today I'll give you a walk around relate on Yellow Marketplace. This is the home page, right? You can see that Yellow Jungleworks. So simply just need to type jungleworks.com/yellow, and you will be there. So simply you just have to do the free sign up. Just enter your name, email ID, password, phone number, and simply sign up from here. And you will directly reach at this page, like get started page after choosing your marketplace. So you need to just enter some marketplace details in store. And the next page will be sales data, customer store. So there will be some data available related to your platform, like which kind of shop you are having, number of stores, number of sales you have made, pending orders, and all. Moving straight to the task part. So in this section, we have to discuss related to how to add catalog. So here in this configuration section, you will find catalog option available in order settings. So you can just simply add those catalogs. Just as asked, I have added grocery, essential, restaurant, bakery. Even you can ask more on here. So just simply you need to add the details and simply you can add from here. Moving to the next part. So after adding this catalog, we have to go to store part. So here you finding the same stores. In if you will choose some different kind of store section like restaurant and all, so you will find here restaurant, clothes store, or some kind of thing. So right now, as I have enlisted all the shops which I asked to enlist here, like Reckless, Suffer, FabCab, China Byte. So just let me give you a overview of Indigo. So Indigo comes under the category of essentials. So how to choose that it is a essential? So here you can see that business category. So I have chosen it essential. Either you can choose one category or you can choose multiple category as well. Fine. So moving to the next part, you can see here the QR code. So you can scan this code to open merchant's catalog on the app. Along with that, this is the serving restrictions. If not, then you can set up some radius. Sorry. So you can set up some radius that you deliver in this area. So in the store part, you can add multiple as much as store you can. Along with that, there are multiple ways to add stores. You can add one by one. Either you can import through a CSV file, like some basic details is available. So in that import section, you need to just download a sample CSV file and you need to fill all the details over there and simply import from here. Otherwise, you can share a sign up link with any merchant. So you just need to share that link and they can register themselves. Moving to the product part. So the store name is Indigo, and here's the category. There are multiple categories: foods, clothing, grocery, electronics, medicine. So in this, there are always some subcategories available, like biryani and all. In the biryani, there are products available, different kind of biryani, curry, soup. So everything is having their own price list. Along with their price, you can set the inventory. You can add the variants if you are having. So these are the main functionalities. Suppose if you want to edit it, you can edit from here as well, change the photo and all. This is the customer list. So whenever some customer will sign up over your platform, you will get their each and every detail over this section. Moving to the promotions, promo code, discount code, referral, banners, loyalty points. So we are having all the functionality available. So you can just simply provide all this functionality to your customer as well. The more function you will provide over your platform, the more customer will get attracted toward your platform. So it's as simple as that. This is the layout. So you can set your layout themes by yourself. So like whatever kind of color you want, theme color, header color, background color. So you can set, like suppose I want to change the background color in a little bit blue. Fine. So this is should be my background color. So let me save it. So when I will show you the web page right now, then you will get the idea. So this is the web logo, this is the website tab icon. You can show multiple options to your customer, like this is the visibility options like email and phone number of stores, store details, app, customer can see the location of location on map and all. theme, you can set the theme. There are the customization options available, so you can set the theme by yourself. Along with that, there are multiple things available like store card module. So you can say you sponsor tag and all. Footer, you can set the footer by yourself. Okay, fine. Moving to the content page. So here you can do all the coding by yourself. Let's see the setting. So we are having multiple settings available for customer, as well as you can see that sign up options available, sign up template. So you can set up your own template as well. So store, so you can set multiple things for store as well. Moving to the next part, this is the manager section. So you can provide some manager access. You can set the roles of all the manager like marketing, support, order management. So you can add from here also. This is the order setting. So in order setting, there are catalog, as I've told you, there are multiple catalog options available. You can add from here. Checkout options available like cash on delivery, pay later, side orders, outstanding payments. So you can provide all this facility to your customer. Here are delivery options like delivery modes, whatever kind of mode they can choose. Delivery time, like what should be the delivery time, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour. Orders, here are some cancellations, commission, tax and fares. You can set preference like currency, you can set by user terminology. Preference, you can see that you can set the currency format, time zone, time format, date format. Terminology, you can set each and every terminology as per your local language as well, because we are having multiple language available. Here notification, the way of notification, send SMS, emails, notifications over the mobile. So for the customer as well as for the you can say merchant, there's all functionality is available. In the product section, there's same thing also available. You can import as much as product you can. So using this import section, as you can I have seen the same functionality available over there. So let me show you. This is the website. So just let me place the order so that you can get some idea. In the grocery part, hmm, I want 1 kg apple and banana, and let me check out this. Yeah, I want to get it delivered at this address and the proceed to pay. Fine. Okay. So order placed successfully. Fine. So in this order section, I will receive the order. So you can see that apple and banana quantity one. So here admin as well as having this kind of options available. So so this is the main scenario. So I hope you understood the business model of this platform. So thank you so much for your time and attention. Okay, bye. Take care.